Hey everybody, Joy here. It's Friday already. Oh my gosh, it's Friday. I think it's the 12th. I hope my sign doesn't fall over. I'm kneeling on the chair it's sitting on. It's June 12th, 2020. Yeah. I was fixing my coffee and heating up my frozen oatmeal cookie from Brahms, and I thought, God, I'd like to make a video, but I don't have anything to tell anybody. And then I started drinking my coffee, and the caffeine kicked into my lightning fast mind, and I remembered we're having a sew-along. Yeah, and I need to give you an update on the sew-along. So let me take one more sip of my brand new half-calf with whipped cream. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the deal. Judy Kessinger has 2 books. Most of you already know about it, but maybe some of you don't. This is book number 1. It's like $135. This is book number 2. It's like $55. But for you, just for you, Judy has given us a code. Is that a good word for it? It's not a coupon. I don't know what to call it, but anyway, it's a word. It's a discount word. So, her books have been $99 for both of them for quite a while, but that's over with now. But for you and for me, for my followers, Judy has given us a code called TULIP. T-U-L-I-P. TULIP, small letters. T-U-L-I-P. And if you will use that, you can still get these 2 books for $99. I am a major tightwad. I don't like to pay for anything if I think it's overpriced. So she has these 2 books. They're both wonderful. This is the one, the big one, over 400 pages with all the variations. You don't need me to show you the variations in the book because you can look for them for free at her website. I've told you guys that several times. Go to fitnicesystem.com, click on shop, click on variations, and you can just look at them for the rest of the day and the next day and the next day. I did, and I loved it because there's videos to go with all of them. Now this book is like tips and tricks. She loves glue, and she also loves Steam-A-Seam, but I love Steam-A-Seam, you already know that. And she loves glue. So she tells you how she does shortcuts and tips and tricks and all kinds of things like that in this book. It's not as big. This one, let me put one down before I kill myself. This one is 130 pages. It's 130 pages. So, the 2 books, if I get a pen, I'll write down the code. I have pink, let's hope it writes. And let's hope this shows up. The code is TULIP. TULIP. And you can't even see it. Let me see if I can lift my board up some. Hey, this is high-class production here, let me tell you. I'm holding the board up with my little hand weights. I did not want to drag that gigantic tripod out here. Is it a tripod? It's an easel. This great big easel that I have. So, it's the Fit Nice Tea Sew-Along. If you will go to my YouTube channel, you're already here. Go to the YouTube channel. You see my picture. Click on my picture. All my videos will come up. And there is a place that says videos, and there's a place that says playlist, and a place that says some other things at the top. If you click on playlist, you can choose Fit Nice Tea or How to Make a Tea. I called it 2 different playlists. So click on either one of those, and all of my videos about this sew-along will come up, and you can watch them all. Now, one of them has this gigantic boo-boo in it. The one I did yesterday has the same boo-boo. Sometimes I'll take a clip out and I'll move it up above or down below, intending to put it someplace else and use it later, and then I forget it's there. So I've done that 2 times now, so my lightning fast mind is probably going through caffeine withdrawal when that happens. But please just forgive me if I do a screw up, okay? Just read between the lines and think, oh my dear, bless her heart, she's 70 years old, okay? All right, Code Tulip. You can get both the books for $99. I started to tell you I'm a cheapskate. I will not pay for something if I think it's overpriced, or if I don't think I'm going to like it, or if I can't return it if I don't like it. I don't know if you can return these or not, but I can tell you you won't want to when you get them. Well worth $99 for these two books. It gives the variations in there. Now, when you look at the variations on her website, you'll see the variation. She'll talk a little bit about it, but for the exact step-by-step directions for each variation, you will need the books. Now, there's another thing that she has, and I'm not sure if I've told you all this yet. You know, I can't remember what I did this. I told Judy the other day, I was talking to her on the phone, and she asked me about something that I had done 2 or 3 weeks earlier, and I said, dear Lord, I can't remember what I did yesterday. And she said, well, I can't remember what I did this morning. So just in case I didn't tell you, there's gifts. One of the gifts, if you don't already have it, is her big book. She's giving it away free to one winner in the United States. There's 4 other gifts she's giving away all over the place because it can be given to you with PDFs over the internet. And those 4 gifts are the 2020 Fit Nice Club. Fit Nice Club. Fun to have. What she does is more variations, and she does recipes, and you get them every other month. So you get them 6 months out of the year. And I don't know what they cost. I can't remember. I want to say $75, but I'm not sure. But anyway, she's giving away 4 of those. Okay? And the big winner, if you already have this book, instead of the book, unless you want 2 of them, she's going to give away, did she say 3 yards? I think she said 3 yards. Good Lord, if I had a memory. She's going to give away 3 yards of pattern ease, which is what you draw your patterns with, 3 yards of black French fuse, and 3 yards of white French fuse. Wonderful gift because it's really wide. The French fuse is like 60 inches wide, so that's a bunch. And the pattern ease is wide also. That's a wonderful gift. So definitely, if you already have the book, I'd take that. Okay? Alrighty, ladies. I think I've told you everything. Oh, no, I didn't. It ends Friday, 6/19. Put your picture on Instagram. A picture of you wearing the top. I personally, since it's my channel and my contest, it's not a contest, I want to see your face. You see my face. Here it is. I want to see your face. With your top on, take one square picture. Use your iPhone. Choose square on your camera. Take one picture, not 2, not 3. Take one photo of each different garment that you make. You can make 100. If you make 100 garments, you get 100 chances to win. 1 chance per garment, your name will go in the hat. I hope that makes sense. When you put your picture on your Instagram, you can't put it on my Instagram, you can't put it on Judy's Instagram, it has to be your Instagram, and it has to be on public. If you have it marked private, nobody can see your pictures but you. Make sure it's marked public. Then, put this hashtag either in the comments under the picture or up at the top where you put a title. Put hashtag FitNiceJoyT. Hashtag FitNiceJoyT. It'll show up over there on Instagram. When you search for this hashtag, all of our pictures will show up. I need to put pictures of the different garments I made. I've only got a picture of one garment I made over there. I wore one in my video yesterday. If you want to watch my video from yesterday, it's my half and half garment. I'm half one fabric and half the other fabric, front and back. I feel really weird in it. But anyhow, a lot of you said you liked it, so thank you for that. Okay, so hashtag FitNiceJoyT on Instagram. The last day you have is 6/19/20. You have till midnight, 6/19/20, to put a picture there. When I wake up on 6/20/20, I will groggily go out in the kitchen and get my coffee, unless my husband brings it to me, as he always does. And I will sit up in my bed and I will put my laptop on my lap and I will go to Instagram and I will see how many entries there are, and then I will use random number generator to choose 5 winners. Okay? I hope that all makes sense. And then we'll let you know who won. And I think the next thing coming up, Viv and I are going to do another sew along. Yeah, Viv hasn't told me what we're going to sew yet. But we'll both let you know when we figure it out, okay? Love all you guys. Have fun making your tees. And don't forget about Judy's $3, her Zoom classes. Zoom class you can only watch live. You can't ever watch it again. But they're only $3. They're an hour or longer, and they are lots and lots of fun and lots of information. If you like me, you'll like Judy. I think we have the same personality. She's lots of fun, only she makes amazing garments that I haven't even tried yet. So I'm gonna try a jacket. Okay, that's all for today. I'll be back soon, but bye for now.